Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most captivating destinations around the world. Today, we're diving into the enchanting island of Bali, also known as the Island of the Gods. In this video, we'll be sharing 11 inoffensive ways tourists can have a good time in Bali while embracing the local culture. So, let's get started. Embrace the Balinese culture. To truly appreciate the beauty of Bali, it's essential to embrace the rich Balinese culture. Attend mesmerizing traditional dance performances, and visit awe-inspiring temples to immerse yourself in the vibrant arts scene and spiritual traditions of the island. Dress respectfully. When visiting temples or religious sites in Bali, it's important to dress respectfully. Remember to cover your shoulders and knees as a sign of respect for the local customs and traditions. This shows appreciation for the spiritual significance of these places. Learn basic Indonesian phrases. While many locals in Bali speak English, learning a few basic Indonesian phrases can greatly enhance your experience. Simple greetings like hello, halo, and thank you, terima kasih, can go a long way in building connections and showing respect to the locals. Support local businesses. Supporting local businesses not only contributes to the local economy, but also provides a more authentic experience for tourists. Explore vibrant local markets. Purchase handmade crafts from local artisans, and savor the unique flavors of Balinese cuisine at local eateries. Respect sacred sites. Bali is home to numerous sacred sites including temples, shrines. When visiting these sites, remember to dress modestly. Remove your shoes before entering, and observe the local customs and traditions. Respecting the spiritual significance of these places is crucial. Practice responsible tourism. Responsible tourism plays a vital role in preserving the natural beauty and the cultural heritage of Bali. Be mindful of your environmental impact by avoiding littering, reducing the use of single-use plastics, and participating in eco-friendly activities, such as beach cleanups or nature conservation projects. Be mindful of environmental impact. Bali faces environmental challenges due to tourism. By being mindful of your impact on the environment, such as conserving water, reducing energy consumption, supporting eco-friendly accommodations, and tour operators, you can contribute to the sustainability of this beautiful island. Engage in cultural activities. Engaging in cultural activities allows you to gain a deeper understanding of Balinese traditions. Join a traditional cooking class. Learn to play traditional musical instruments, or embark on a local village tour to experience the daily life of the Balinese people firsthand. Try local cuisine. Indulge in the delightful flavors of Balinese cuisine during your visit. Explore the vibrant street food scene. Savor traditional delicacies, such as baby guling, suckling pig, and nasi goreng, fried rice. And be open to new taste sensations that will tantalize your taste buds. Participate in community initiatives. Supporting community initiatives and social enterprises is an excellent way to make a positive impact during your stay in Bali. Get involved in volunteering opportunities, or donate to local charities focusing on education, healthcare, or environmental conservation to help improve the lives of the local communities. Leave a positive impression. As your journey in Bali comes to an end, leave a lasting positive impression by being respectful, grateful, and kind to the locals. Engage in meaningful interactions. Express your appreciation for the beauty of Bali, and share your experiences with others in a positive and responsible manner. We hope you found these 11 inoffensive ways to have a good time in Bali insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more captivating destinations, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy travels.